Hi and welcome to another product demo from fobfix.com. Today we're going to be adding a key to this. It's a Focus RS and it's a 66 plate. It's got an existing, see the little RS logo, it's got an existing working proximity key. There we go. And what we're going to be doing is adding an additional, excuse the foliage, an additional key to it. So we've got the working key branded up. I'll just pop the clutch and show you that starting the vehicle. There you go. And that works the central locking. And what we're going to be doing is adding this aftermarket remote to the vehicle. First things first, the key that you're programming needs to be inserted or placed. If you can just make out the key symbol, there's a key with what looks like a little radio waves around it. I'm going to pop the key we wish to program just down in there on top of it. And we'll take our programmer, standard FobFix programmer. And what we'll do is first we will check how many keys are programmed. This is done with the ignition off, all the dips down. Oh, we just locked ourselves. Tell you what we'll do, just so we don't have the alarm blaring. Let's unlock the door. Just open it. Right, all the dip switches down. Puts us into check key mode. The OBD plug on these is behind a panel here. This vehicle's a little bit worse for wear and the panel's missing, but plug's just there. So if we take the programmer, pop it in with all the switches down, 3 beeps to tell us we're powered up. You'll get the orange flashes as it talks to the vehicle. It takes about 30 to 40 seconds to do the login, and it will beep a number of times and flash a number of times for the number of keys currently programmed. Now I know it's just one for this vehicle, so 1 green beep. And then shut down. Now what we'll do, we'll just go to add key mode. We've placed our new blank key into the receptacle in the centre armrest. Go into key add mode, plug the unit in, get that extra blue flash, and then beep to signify we're in key add mode. And what that'll do is, again, 30 to 40 seconds. There's not much activity with these vehicles. The dash doesn't reset or anything. I'll just keep an eye on it. And then you should get a couple of beeps to tell us we've got 2 keys programmed. Remove the unit. Fish our newly programmed key out of there. That's that one. And give it a test. Fine. Now I could take the other key out of the car and show you it starting, but as you can imagine it is now fully programmed and working. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one.